Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video, it's been a minute since I did a nail video. I miss doing my nails and showing y'all how I do them. But today we got a little twist today. But if you're not already, don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, turn on your post notification for more videos with me. I love y'all so much. Let's go ahead and see what this video is giving, and let's do it. So let's get it done, y'all. So let's get started. So in today's video, like I said, it's gonna be different. So I got a custom set from Claw Collectives. I'm gonna do a what I ordered versus what I got. So I ordered 3 nails and I did a custom order just to see how she would do the nails. So I'm gonna let y'all know about it, you know, give y'all a little synopsis before we get started and show y'all, and so I can show y'all the nails and everything. But so I'm gonna see if I can screen record and show y'all, but I also told her that I wanted some nails that are like Libra inspired, and she did absolutely beautiful. I'll show y'all though. But so I had a couple of ideas first, but I was thinking of changing a couple of things like this one. Let me go ahead and show y'all what I'm talking about. So I'll put it on the screen. So I said, great, I have a couple of ideas. First is this one where I was thinking I was gonna change this right here. You guys have seen this nail a couple of times. I'll post a picture up here of how I looked in the nails, but I wanted this inspired nail, but I wanted it more of a Libra aspect because y'all know I'm a Libra. So I was like, because she changed a few things, maybe put a Libra on it, initials, have a sign on one finger or whatever, have initial CK, and my color choice, you already know it's red. So that was the first thing. And then the second thing I told her is I wanted these bandana print styled half and half French kind of tip things also as well too. So she definitely said she could do that, and I was just like dumbfounded. I didn't even know she was gonna be able to do it, but y'all, let's not talk about it right now. And then this last one with a little swirl in it, I thought it was so super cute. So this is what I ordered, so we'll see exactly what I got. I told her that I would love the same ones, and she just told me the price and all the other stuff, but I wanted to show y'all what the nails, what nails I wanted to get. So yeah, let's get right into it. So I'm gonna put that to the side. I'm gonna show y'all what I got, what I received versus what I ordered. So the package comes in a little, I'm gonna show y'all the package, but it's made for you, Claudia Custom Sets. This is Claw Collect. This is my girl, y'all. Shop her site because it's bomb. If you don't like press-on nails, if you like press-on nails, go to her shop. It's fire. All right, so let me show y'all the nails. So let's turn it around, y'all. 1, 2, 3. Y'all, let's get into it. Does it look like the picture at all that I requested? Yes, it does. The vision was completed. She did exactly what she needed to do. See how pretty this is? I'm gonna zoom in so y'all can see how gorgeous these nails look, because I don't think y'all understand how pretty this is. Let me open the box. This is what it looks like. So like I said, I will pop some pictures on the screen of different things that I said that I wanted, and y'all let me know if she did it, because I see that she did it. She snapped. She definitely snapped. It looks just like the pictures that I requested. So I'm super excited, super happy. I will be installing one of these nails with you guys today. Doing these last nails right here, these little swirly ones. I think they're super cute. And then this one is my favorite. Y'all know I'm a Libra, and this means so much to me because I love red so much. And she just gave me these different types of red nails. You got some light red, you got some dark red, you got some deep reds, you got some burgundies. It's bomb. This is the nail set. Super happy, super impressed. It's definitely what I ordered, okay? Definitely. Especially this custom set right here. Like, she really like took everything I said into like consideration and just did what she needed to do, period. And she did not disappoint.